Food waste is a pressing issue, and bananas, a staple fruit, are often victims of this problem. But did you know that there's a simple trick to keep your bananas fresh and reduce waste? It's time to uncover the science behind banana browning and learn how to make these nutritious fruits last longer. Bananas, like many fruits, undergo a fascinating transformation as they ripen. The culprit behind this process is ethylene gas, which is produced and reacted with by the bananas themselves. This natural gas is responsible for the softening and sweetening of the fruit, making it more appealing to eat. But here's where it gets interesting. The reaction with ethylene is what causes the bananas to change from green to yellow and eventually develop brown spots. As the bananas continue to ripen, the ethylene levels rise, leading to more browning and a softer texture. This process is natural, but it can be slowed down with proper storage techniques. And this is the part most people miss. The key to keeping bananas fresh lies in how you store them. Firstly, remove any plastic or paper packaging to prevent gas buildup, which accelerates ripening. Secondly, avoid storing bananas in a fruit bowl with other fruits, as the ethylene gas they release can affect each other. Instead, keep them separately in a cool, dark place away from heat sources. This simple adjustment can make a significant difference in their longevity. Some experts suggest wrapping the banana stems in foil or cling film to trap the ethylene gas and slow down browning. This method can extend the life of your bananas by up to 2 weeks. But here's a controversial tip. If you're not a fan of overly ripe bananas, you might want to consider a different approach. Ground bananas are generally safe to eat, but their texture and taste may not suit everyone's preferences. They are excellent for baking, adding natural sweetness to cakes. However, before consuming a brown banana, inspect it for mould, mushiness, liquid leakage, or unpleasant odors. If any of these signs are present, it's best to discard the banana. So, are you ready to give these storage tips a try and reduce your banana waste? Remember, small changes in your food storage habits can have a significant impact on reducing food waste and saving you money. Share your thoughts and experiences in the comments below.